In today's video, I'll show you how to delete tables from Notion. So at first, just come onto your workspace and let's say, for example, you have a table over here. So let's just create a table. This is your table column 1. This is your table column 2. This is your table column 3. And this is your entire table. Now, how do you delete this table? You can add row by clicking on this, but how do you delete the entire table? That's the question. So it's very simple. Just go under the table, then just press on backspace. Just press on backspace. And as you can see, it's not deleting it. So to delete it, what you have to do is just with your mouse, just select the entire table. Make sure you don't select any extra text. Just select the table only. Then hit backspace and you're going to see the table has been deleted. It was that simple. And basically, that is how to delete tables in Notion. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.